Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Skiply Smilio S and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this survey taker not working properly, not registering the button pushes or anything like that, or if it's not sending the signals that it's supposed to, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and all the counters and everything is going to be reset to 0 and all that kind of stuff. But if that's something, that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting this up in a new location on a new network, you just want to get everything back to zeros. We can just go ahead and do that real easily. We just need to open the back of it to access where the batteries are, and you'll see that there's a button right here that you're going to push right next to the battery case. You're just going to push that, and it will restart the Smilio back to its factory default settings. It's really as simple as that. All you got to do is get in there and push that button, and it will reset everything.